Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. Today's video, I'm walking you around a Porsche GT3 that we've upgraded with a new security system. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen this before, hit that subscribe button below. Otherwise, let's go. So if you own one of these cars, you might be looking at adding some security features to keep the vehicle in your possession, or your insurance company has requested as you purchase the car that you need a tracking system, and this is the perfect solution. What we've added in is something called a Thatcham S5 VTS Plus. Basically what the system is a tracker. You get an application called MyConnectedCar. You can literally log in via your phone. It's so easy. I've got the same system on my vehicle and I've got full control over the tracking system, see exactly where my vehicle is at all times, and now this customer can do exactly that. One of the key things about the S5 VTS Plus system is that there's an immobilization cut. Basically the system is from Vodafone Automotive, and what that basically means is they can automatically over the air shut the vehicle down in case it was stolen. One really cool thing as well is you get these two tags. Basically what these tags are called is something called an ADR tag. Basically it's a driver recognition tag that alerts you guys if the vehicle is moved, started, whatever it is, without one of these two tags present. So basically you keep this in your wallet, in your purse, or on your keys if you want to. And if that vehicle is moved without one of these two tags present, you guys get a phone call, push notification on your phone, text message, whatever it might be, you get alerted. And it's really, really key. So if the vehicle's even towed away, you've got an alert, you've got a phone call, you know exactly what's going on. But the other thing is also, if the vehicle is stolen off your driveway, for instance, you've also got that protection there. The other thing is then obviously that alerts Vodafone. They then liaise directly with the police to get your vehicle recovered. It's an immensely quick recovery time, and this is from personal experience. Recovery time is between around about 10 minutes to about half an hour or so. It's very, very swift. And with the Plus system, we've got immobilization into the vehicle as well. So if that vehicle is stolen, they can remotely immobilize that vehicle. But the app is called MyConnectedCar. Go over to your App Store or Google Play Store, download that. You can actually do a little trial version, see exactly what features, benefits you guys are going to be getting if you're to have this exact system installed. But if you are interested in something like this, come by, see us. We'll go through everything step by step with you. Or alternatively, drop us an email. We can send you over all the pricing, but also the options available for your vehicle, and we'll talk you through different security upgrades to keep your vehicle in your possession. So hopefully you've enjoyed the video. You've seen a little bit more about what's been involved on a tracking system and what the options are for you and what we've done on today's vehicle. If you are new to our channel, haven't seen this before, hit the subscribe button below, but also drop us a message on any of our social media platforms. But thank you guys for watching. We'll see you soon.